Hi! This video is for those of you working on the ch sound. So this sound, you want your lips to be rounded and your tongue right behind your teeth, and your voice is off for the sound, so no voicing, but the sound is very short. Ch. Sometimes we describe it as a train as it goes choo-choo. So you really want that sound to be extra short. So it looks like SH, shh, when you say it, but SH is long, shh, and CH is short, ch. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we are going to listen to some words that have our sound in them. So they will be at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of words. So let's get started. So just listen. We are not saying anything at this point. We are only listening. Cheese, chew, chalk, chap, chore, chain, cheek, chip. In the middle, catcher, teacher, pitcher, ketchup, lunchbox, nachos, peaches, French fries. And at the end, bench, witch, catch, pinch, branch, couch, hatch, lunch. All right, next we're going to practice the sound. So it's your turn to practice. We're going to practice it in isolation, so all by itself. I'm going to say, and then you are going to say, so I'll point to you when it's your turn. Ch, 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 ch. Now we'll practice it into some syllables. I say, you say, chi, chai, cho, chew, each, ich, och, ooch. And in the middle, ichi, ichi, ochi, oochi. All right. Now we're going to practice at the word level. So at the beginning, middle, and end of words, I say, you say. Cheese, chew, chalk, chap, chore, chain, cheek, chip, catcher, teacher, pitcher, ketchup, lunchbox, nachos, peaches, and at the end, bench, witch, pinch, branch, couch, hatch, lunch. Good. Next, we'll practice some phrases. So typically we say I see, I want, I have, my, before we say the target word, just so it's in more connected speech. So we will start with initial CH. My cheese, I chew, my chores, my chain, my cheek. In the middle, my teacher, I'm pitcher, my ketchup, my lunchbox, my nachos, and at the end, my bench, the witch, I pinch, my couch, my lunch. All right, and then at the end, we'll do sentences. So we're going to put our words into sentences. So usually we create our own sentences at this time. So I will create some, but you can create your own if you would like. I love to eat cheese. I don't like when people chew out loud. I use chalk on the chalkboard. I have 2 cheeks. In the middle, I like to play catcher in baseball. My teacher is so nice. I like ketchup with my French fries. My lunchbox is very big. And at the end, I sit on the bench at recess. I like to catch the ball. There is a big branch on the tree. My lunch was so tasty. Okay, so that's it. If you would follow the progression and do it daily, especially if this is a sound that you are working on, that would be awesome. If you ever have any questions, please email me. Have a great day.